Hello, welcome to Pleasant Times on Linux, and I goofed. I admit it, I goofed. I released Trinity, and I showed the problem people, and how to fix it actually. So, let's boot off the live. And yeah, it's only a small problem, but I'd like to show you how or what the issue is and how to fix it. It was actually the problem was actually brought to me by Techstar himself. He actually liked the colours and so on. He liked the theming. But he says, "Hey, how come I can't get out of a UK keyboard?" And I'm going, "What the actual?" So, always the way. Always the way. Anyway, while I'm waiting for that to load, I'm going to make myself a quick cigarro, as I do. It's bad for you, it's a nasty habit, but I have it, along with a few other nasty habits. So anyway, as you can see, it defaults to the UK keyboard, right? And if I go to say US, which is where they are, right, now by rights I should have a United States keyboard, right? So we'll go to shout. Hang on, let me just I'll close that first, but let me control C this rather than, there we go, you can see now. And I do my usual, which will be the @ symbol, and it is set up for a UK keyboard still. Look at that. Right, I'm using Shift 2 for the quotations because I'm on a UK keyboard, right? And that's wrong. Yeah, right. So, how to fix? Well, what you do, either live or installed, the process is exactly the same. You log out, just end the current session. Like so. That's when it wants to end the current session because it's been obtuse. And I will have to give it a kick in a minute. Now it will close. Some reason. There we go. Okay, we're at GDM screen, the login screen, right? There is no password, so there's no reason to put a password. You just click here, but don't do that. Go to language. Go to system default and change the language. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, so that started that, restarted that. Right, so we're on the default system. Right, click on guest, make default. You have chosen USA English, make that default. Only if you're American. If you're in the UK, this isn't a bug whatsoever. I do not know why that has happened. I honestly don't. I don't think I ever messed about with that language setting, ever. But yeah, just waiting for some reason it's taking its time to load off my spinning rust. I got a feeling I have an issue with one of my hard drives. The spinning rust drive seems to be a bit unhealthy at the moment. I do not know why. There's no noises or anything like that, it's just darn slow. It could be the VM though. See if this wants to play ball with me. But as you can see, it's taking its time. And there we go, it's finally woke up. And my phone goes ding at the same time. Okay, so we'll repeat what we just did. We'll go to the shell, and I will do what should be quotations in UK, but should be the @ symbol. And there we go. That is now working exactly as a US keyboard should. That's the quickest way I use to test the two different keyboards, is that above the number 2 key on a US keyboard is the is this symbol. Oops, sorry, it's this symbol. And in the UK, it's this. So, yeah, that's the quick way of testing. But that is how, very quickly, you can change. Now, of course, if you install after that, it should keep the settings. So, actually, what I will do is do a quick install. And I won't show you the full install. So, let me just start it off, though. Yeah, here's existing. SDI2. Next, computing total size and blah blah. So, if you wonder, I'm using a GTP system with MBR, and it has a little boot partition at the beginning. Okay, so that's going. I will now just pause the vid for a sec until like I'm actually installed and ready to put my name and business in. Okay, I'm here with the time zone. My brain went dead then. I'm just gonna do everything as is. I will do it properly. And hopefully everything has carried through. Something wrong with my fingers today. That's better. Right. So we're in. Let me just check the language, make sure that it stayed as, right, it's gone back to last language, so, but, I'll just cancel that, just for the moment, and see if I still have a US or UK keyboard. It's not letting me log in. What? Let me log in. Alright, fine. Okay, just to reboot the bloody thing, Gully. I don't know what's happening here. Okay. There we go. Reboot fix it. Do not know why. Okay. Just wait for the desktop to load. Open up the shell. Let's see if I still got the UK keyboard. I do have the US keyboard still. Very cool. Okay, that seems to have fixed that. Do not know why it wouldn't log in the first time. Obviously a reboot did fix it. I'm just going to test a couple of other things now. See if my guest editions are working. You can see I've got updates. Yay me. Updates available. It does say in that yellow thingy there. It does say updates available. I'm going to try and work out how to change the colours on those notifications, because that yellow on yellow, white on yellow is not good. So, it is building, and when it's built down here we'll go a bit ape. Because it does need to reboot after, to make sure that guest editions are installed. My fans are spinning up a little bit quicker now. As the processor starts to, well, it isn't cooking that much. As you can see, it's like, we do know that the guest editions are more or less installed, but it will need to be rebooted after it's finished. That is a problem, not with Trinity. That is an issue with the new guest editions. It doesn't happen on earlier versions of VirtualBox. So if I'm still using the 6.0.14, which was the last one before 6.1, it works absolutely fine. Now it's having a word with closing the sys tray. CR and DAR tray was having a word. So what I'll do is I'll go to Control F, and while it's restarting, and once it's booted and made sure everything is honky and dories, I will indeed, my phone just went ding. Always does when I'm making a video, doesn't it? So by the way, this should resize itself after it's loaded. And there we go, it's already resized. Okay, and I should still have the US keyboard, I hope. So, right, by the way, this should be quotations, it is. Excellent. Okay, anyway, yeah, that's that done. Yeah, sorry about the way it has done, but there you go. Let's send a shutdown signal to her. Yeah. So that's, if you are stuck on a UK keyboard in the United States using Trinity, that is the fix. Anyway, I will see you soon, and take care. Thank you very much for watching.